Hello, Selena and I have been talking about the sentence sat down from our last time, or whether or not sat down is a sentence. We have still some debating to do and some future lessons where we're going to clarify some of that information. So we will keep you informed on our learning about that sentence or whether it's a sentence. We have a new sentence to share with you today. Some of you have already seen this one. I always use this sentence. This is one of those legacy languages that Maria Montessori used when she was working with this material and in coming up with these lessons. And so the lesson I want to share with you is the next sentence analysis, and we're going to try something new. I want to use a longer sentence with more details. So I'm going to switch you into our group view, and I'm going to write the sentence. The sentence I'm going to write is, I have treasures under my bed. Oh, I ran out of space. I'll go right on to the next one. Okay, I have treasures under my bed. All right, so that would have been perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna lay out our material that we have been working with so far. And Selena, I want you to look at this sentence and think about the action or what is happening. What is the action? What's happening in the sentence?
Would the action be under?
Not under. Now we see her sentence analysis knowledge. Have. Have is a tricky verb because you feel like it's not jump or sit or.
I thought under because it's like under.
Like to go under?
Yeah.
Okay. But she was right when she guessed have. Have is the action.
You have the treasure.
You have treasure, yep. So put our sentence up there. Have is the action, so we put that here on our red circle. Have. Who is it that, or what is it that have? I have. I have whom, or I have what?
Treasures.
I have treasures. I have treasures. Now, I guess I do need to move it down a little bit. I have treasures. I like it up here better. Sorry. We still have this little bit left over under my bed. So we're going to have to look and see with our material if we have another question that maybe answers this, or that this answers. I have treasures when? Under my bed? That one doesn't work. I have treasures. Why? Under my bed?
I have a reason.
Okay. I have treasures. How? Under my bed? How? Under my bed. Under my bed. How? Maybe. Let's set that aside. That's a maybe. I have treasures with whom or with what under my bed? With what under my bed?
Nothing.
No. How about, I have treasures from whom under my bed? From what under my bed?
Maybe. I wouldn't use it.
No. How about, sorry, there's the question. I have treasures by means of whom under my bed? I have treasures by means of what under my bed? No. I have treasures by whom or by what under my bed? Okay, well, we got to my very last one. I have treasures where?
Under my bed.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Where under my bed? Not how. I thought how maybe could work, but where is better. I have treasures where?
Under my bed.
Under my bed. I have treasures under my bed. This bit here that we added on, under my bed, is giving us more information about how I have them where. So this down here is called an adverbial extension. Under my bed is not an adverb, but the way it's used in the sentence, under my bed, it gives more information or tells more about the verb, and so we call it an adverbial extension. So let's see what we have here. Haha, what we have here. Have is our action. We call that the predicate. Who is it that have? I. I is the subject. I have what?
Treasures.
Treasures is our direct object. I have treasures where? Under my bed. Under my bed is the place. So it's telling me the place that I have the treasure. Now, you noticed when I asked those questions that there were lots of questions. So we could think about writing a sentence that has answers more of these questions. Think about that. So we could have a really exciting sentence. So right now we have, I have treasures under my bed. Oh, there it is, under my bed. But we could say when they are there. At Christmas time. That's the when. Why? To hide them from peeking, spying eyes. Why are the treasures under my bed? How are they? They're hidden. How are they under my bed? They're hidden under my bed. So you can see that when the more adverbial extensions, the more orange arrows we add to a sentence, the more interesting and exciting it becomes. So you can write interesting, exciting sentences that answer some of these questions, or maybe you could challenge yourself to write a sentence that has all of them and still makes sense. Think you can do that?
Probably not.
So Selena says that that's maybe not a challenge that she wants to undertake, but she's going to write a few sentences using some of the orange arrows. Not all. Maybe she'll get there. Okay, I am so glad that you were here with us today to work on sentence analysis with adverbial extensions. Remember, the adverbial extensions are telling us more about the verb. They're not necessarily adverbs. They're just telling us more information about our verb. I can't wait to share the next lesson with you. Selena's really excited to do more sentence analysis with you, and I will hopefully hear from you soon. Have a great night. Bye-bye.